I've only gone and done it again, ain't I? This is an absolute stunner of a passion fruit vodka cocktail. Welcome back, boys and girls. Yes, this is another video. JJ Whitley's brand new passion fruit vodkas. Obviously, other passion fruit vodkas will work as well, or passion fruit liqueur and plain vodka. Of course, you can go that way. But this, I just love them. They're big, bold, punchy notes in flavour. Completely different, parallel, completely opposite, polar opposite. That's the word I was looking for. To Absolut's passion fruit vodka. I love big, bold, punchy notes in your face. This cocktail, absolutely stunning. We've got little hints of tiki going on there with ginger and kind of other kind of ingredients. We've got passion fruit in there. I've been rocking out little cheeky ingredients, sort of what's the word? Can't think. Little spoiler. There we go. That's coming up in there. Honestly, this is amazing. We have called it Passion My Mangoes. It's another one, Georgina. Come on, legends. Give her a run for her money. Ross, you're getting there. Ross, you've got a few. But come on, legends. We need your names. It's all part of my membership community. They name quite a lot of my cocktails now going forward. Let's go and check that out. So well done to Georgina. I do actually quite like that name. I didn't pick it out of guilt. I do actually quite like that name. So Passion My Mangoes, and I'm going to show you how to make it. Right then, boys and girls, let's dive in. Showing you how to make this cocktail. Ingredient-wise, passion fruit vodka. Of course, we have ginger liqueur, King's Ginger. As I keep saying, I'm just, you know, the bottle does look different now. They have rebranded. I've still got a tiny bit left in there. For me, head and shoulders above the main Decanton and other ginger liqueurs. Note, I haven't tried Giffard's Posh Ginger Liqueur yet. I haven't tried that. And I think that might be going in. But head and shoulders above the main Decanton. Falernum, I've used this quite a lot recently, actually, so you should be getting used to this bit now. A tiki ingredient. I can't for the life of me think what I was going to tell you about it in the last video, but tiki ingredient, lime, vanilla, sort of ginger notes in there, almond notes. Brilliant, 11% ABV. Mango syrup, I've got some lime juice, and I haven't rocked it out for ages, probably last summer. Rubicon's fizzy passion fruit soda, if you like. It's kind of like Fanta sort of sweetness, okay? Easy to get in the UK, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Around the world, I've seen you guys have got like lots of passion fruit sodas and stuff like that. Feel free to flip it out with pineapple soda or something like that. Anyway, let's round the waffles. Let's crack on. So, first ingredient, look at this. And if you missed the banter from previous videos, do not ask me why it's purple. Don't ask me. I don't know, but it tastes good. That's all you need to know. 60 ml, 2 ounces, double bubble of your purple passion fruit vodka. It tastes good. It tastes good. Right. I think they're trying to make purple drinks and not blue drinks. I think that's their game, innit? Right, for this ginger liqueur, this is very feisty, very strong, very kind of ginger notes in there. I don't want that much in this cocktail. I'm just going for, wrong way round, because I can't work that out in ounces, third of an ounce in it, 10 mil, that's what I was going. One side of this jigger is all in mil, which I can kind of translate, and then we've got, on the other side, we've got like 1/24th, 1/12th, 1/6, 1/4. And I'm like, what the hell is 1/12th of an ounce? Right, so 10 ml of that Falernum. Let's get a good old close up on that. JD Taylor's Falernum. We are going for 15 ml, half an ounce of Falernum. I could just stick a straw in that. It's amazing. I can't believe I forgot it for so long. It just sat on the back. I've got 2 bottles. It just sat there for ages. Right, mango syrup. 50 ml. 50? That'd be a bit too sweet, wouldn't it? 15, half an ounce of mango syrup. There we go. Oh, look at that. And then we're going for 30 ml, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. It's going to be, don't worry, the colour's going to be saved in a second. Don't worry. Right, hard, fast shake. Hard, fast, shaky, shaky. That'll do. 10, 12 seconds. Right. Does a little happy dance. Let's get my good mates Rubicon out to play. Oh, there we go. Let's get Rubicon out to play. Passion fruit fizzy soda water. You could use passion fruit juice and lemonade. Of course you can. Of course you can. Going for 60 ml, 2 ounces. Oh, look at that. See, colour is saved. Colour is saved. Boom. Right, glass wise. Oh, going for my tiki glass. It's not really tiki, but it's a glass baked bean tin. That's what it is. It's a tin. It's a glass tin. I'm going just strained out in there because this glass really does deserve crushed ice. So I've got a bit of crushed ice left. Yeah, look at that. There we go. Bit of crushed ice. Perfect. And then obviously to garnish this little bad boy, we've got a little bit of passion fruit. Oh, and let's just go for a little bit of colour contrast if I can find one. Come on. There we go. Sprig of mint. Pop it up on screen right there. There'll be even more vodka cocktails, and maybe even passion fruit vodka cocktails for you to dive into. As always, if you like the recipe, big old thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any of my future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.